Hello friends, Running Kimono. We're going to look at some last minute Christmas stockpile gifts, a gift for a sick neighbor as well at the very end, but just some last minute creativity on how to make an extra special gift from your stockpile. So the first gift is for somebody who's obsessed with cleaning or clean TikTok, and I am guilty of that. It is a bunch of Scrub Daddy products. How fun is this gift? $3.99 for this eraser, $9.99 for this little paste and the sponge, and then $3.99 for this Scrub Daddy. So like $18 for all of this stuff. Throw in a little extra something if you wish as well from your stockpile. And then this box was from Dollar General. I think I paid 30 cents for it. So I'm just going to pack it all in, put some of these little I don't know what they're called, just packing paper, whatever it is, or you could use tissue paper and make it look all nice and then wrap it up beautifully with a Christmas bow and gift wrap. But if you have somebody that really loves TikTok and all things cleaning, this might really make their day. This is the most expensive of the gifts I'm going to show you. The second one that we have is my absolute and total favorite. It is to go through your stockpile and grab some items and make a beautiful basket of this. And I'm going to show you how easy this is. So we have a 12 count here, which is flat of the cottonelle. I also have this bag. You can use a trash bag, whatever you have, make sure it's clear. And we're just going to throw it at the bottom there. And that's our base. And this is sturdy enough to hold all these cleaning products. So I'm just going to show you how I assemble everything and just to show you what a breeze it is. If you follow the different coupon deals at the pharmacies or Dollar General, you probably have all this stuff in your stockpile. And who would not be so happy to receive all of this? Now, to make sure that some items do not start flying all over the place, we're just going to tape one of them down. Boom, here it is. And then a little candle if you wish, or candy, or you can include both. I would make sure that it's in a sealed container with all these cleaners because you don't want things, smelling a certain way or candy that tastes like soap. And now we're just going to put a beautiful bow on the top. I had put a little bow on it too, but because it's such a large package, it just looked kind of funny with that tiny bow, so I just axed it at the very end. But sometimes you have to try on stuff to say, hey, does this look great or not? And I thought that was just a bit too chintzy. A little gift tag to add a little something to it. You're providing one of each, so anybody from a bachelor to a family of like 5 would really appreciate to have all of these goodies around Christmas. If you are a little bit extra, an old wallet that's laying around the house and throw in $20. I just think that's a really, cute thing, especially for a spouse or something like that. And then just like free or very cheap items I got in the last little bit at Meijer or Walgreens. And then you just assemble it in a Bath and Body Works bag, or you could throw it in a stocking alternatively. But say you wanted to give this to your father-in-law, just the goods, not the wallet. There you go. Unless you wanted to throw a gift card in too, if you wanted to be a little bit extra. And yes, I'm wearing ratty old pajamas for this. If you notice the hole in my shirt, 10 extra points. But how cute is this? For any guy would be so happy. And our little kitten Gizmo is helping again. Okay, the next one is a gift for the ladies. We're going to throw one in those $10 3-wick candles from Bath and Body Works and some Godiva chocolate. You have to kind of fold it over to get it to fit in this little bag. That was free at Bath and Body. A little tie with that. And anyone would be so happy. You're meeting an aunt or something like that. You see them once a year. It's just a little extra something for Christmas or somebody you want to gift it to. I think that looks super cute, both of them. And the final little item, I'm not gifting my cat. Wouldn't that be funny? But I got a text from a neighbor saying that they were really under the weather and they were like, do you have extra stuff in your house? Because they tried to DoorDash and they could not get the following, which was chicken noodle soup of all things. And since I coupon, my superpower is I have a stockpile and they wanted coffee as well. So, I could just throw this all in and no problems, no issues. And, so yeah, it's just a really cool feeling. Like these items were a penny and they don't expire till next year. So to set them up with, a couple of cans, and I will check in every other day if they need anything new. But yeah, it's a really cool feeling that this is not really costing me anything out of pocket and I can really help somebody out who's in need right now. So I'm very happy to do that. And isn't that part of the spirit of Christmas? As always, guys, thanks for watching, and hopefully this cat will simmer down in the new year. And yeah, just a really cool gift. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.